Hello everyone, Tesaks here and welcome to my devlog. So last week I said I want to make working inventory for Gems Defenders. And here it is. Look, yeah, don't mind this. I had to add this since I'm planning on inviting the official testers to test this masterpiece. And some parts are still not really working. Anyway, the hero portion, items and even skins have been reworked. Since the inventory is unlimited, I kept the same style of inventory the spells have. Not really, I just copied it. The inventory space basically is the amount of unlocked items you have plus 1. So now 2 slots because there is only one reworked item in the game at this point, so I only unlocked 1 item. As you can see, I made the icon a little bit better, although they still need some work, and I implemented this button to switch between weapons and skins. And I can even equip stuff to hero, although it's not doing anything yet, as I didn't implement it into heroes equip script that is still, well, how to call it, legacy. Anyway, oh, it's not working, hold on. Okay, just look into it. It's issue with IDs. I made a mistake and the game sees both weapons and skin as the same kind of object. Let me fix it. Whew, that took longer than I anticipated, but it works. It wasn't just issue with IDs, it was issue with saving as well, but it should be working all fine now. And yeah, it works. I still might want to consider making the items in the inventory slots permanent, just so I can equip one hero with multiple weapons at the same time. But hey, I met my goal. So goal for this week is probably making skins and weapons work in game as well, and maybe some polishing. Anyway, all my released games and usual links are in the description, be sure to check these out to join me on my game dev journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe, also let me know what your goals are for this week, and until next Monday, see ya!